Now let's kind of understand the next equity trading system. What is that called as? We call that as 2 FIBs for wealth. 2 FIBs for wealth. And what does FIBs mean? FIBs is nothing but Fibonacci series. This is the Fibonacci series. We will use a couple of those to use it for wealth generation. Now what is Fibonacci series? That's a very deep concept, that is part of our advanced studies, where we kind of do a lot of trades just on the Fibonacci series, how to kind of understand that, how to measure that and use that very effectively for our trades. So I'm not going to go deeper into that, but just one of the systems which we kind of trade and which we kind of use is what I'm kind of sharing with you here. Now what do we need here? So if you're ready for understanding this, type in the comment, ready for FIBs. Okay, let's kind of jump on. So here you need a candlestick chart plus 21 simple moving average, 55 simple moving average and RSI. 21 simple moving, 55 simple moving. Now why 21 and why 55? Because these two are Fibonacci series numbers, and then you need RSI. Now time frame, again weekly. You will trade only in weekly. Now execution rules. Here are the execution rules. Again, only long trades here. Only long trades. Very simple. Price should be, for going long, for buying, price should be above 55 SMA. That's all. Price should be above 55 SMA. And at that point in time, RSI also should be above 60. RSI also should be above 60. If these two criteria are there, then you can buy. You can enter the trade. Exit when the stock touches 21 SMA. You are buying at 55. There will be 2 SMA lines going. You are buying at 55, above 55 SMA, and once the price keeps on going, at some point in time it will come down. When it comes down, if it touches 21 SMA, you will exit, book your profits and exit. Now this has got a re-entry as well. After touching 21, if it does not fully go down, once again starts to go up, that is the time you can once again re-enter. After having booked the profit, you can once again re-enter, but only criteria is, even at that point in time, RSI should be above 60. If RSI is above 60 and price touches 21 and you would have exited. Now once it starts to go back up, you can once again re-enter. That's a additional. It's like market did not fully go down, it only kind of retraced and went back up. Since it's only a retracement, you can be back on the bandwagon and kind of enjoy the entire big trend which it kind of makes. So this is about the re-entry. And finally, the risk management is initial 10% stop loss, and later on when the price goes above 21 SMA, trail at 21 SMA for exit. So this is also extremely powerful wealth creation system. So use this, any kind of script which comes, hold it for few weeks, few months, and you will see constantly, if you do it, you will kind of really generate very good wealth out of this. But what is more important is, in any of this equity cash trading, right, persistence, because here the moves will not be fast. So you have to have deep, one is persistency, and second, deep patience. You should have the ability to simply hold and sit. After you have kind of traded, taken the trade, hold it. So because it's all in weekly time frame, there will be a lot of noise in the daily time frame. You don't even have to worry, ignore, simply sit and see what it kind of does. So this is also a very powerful system which you can kind of trade. So hope you kind of understood all the trading systems for equity, investing and trading systems for equity. If you've kind of got that, and if you're kind of confident of kind of getting in and all excited, type in excited for equity. E for E, excited for equity. I'll see you in the next video where we'll talk about few actions for this module. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.